propose that you please share your thoughts with us.
Heartfulness Global Guide, Daji Sri Kamlesh Patelji, members of the Ramachandra Mission, Heartfulness followers, volunteers, parents, and my dear students who are all participating in this Happy Air India competition, essay writing competition. Others watching this program, brothers and sisters, I'm so much impressed with what has been just now said by Sri Daji. In a simple manner, he has articulated a powerful message to the younger generation. As his good self has explained, what is required is stimulation of the younger minds, because they are the future. And you need to stimulate their minds so that they think properly, take their lives in a positive manner, in a peaceful manner, and each one of these youngsters work towards the peace, prosperity, not only physical prosperity, but also mental prosperity. This is a very useful, noble mission. I am very happy about the name itself, Heartfulness. Heartfulness is very much required to really give impetus to the momentum of the growth of individuals as well as countries. I am delighted to launch this Heartfulness All India Essay Writing event organized by Sri Ramachandra Mission in partnership with the United Nations Information Center for India and Bhutan. I'm happy to know that this event is held every year to commemorate the United Nations International Day of the Youth between the months of July and November, and more than 1 million participants submit their entire efforts through the entries each year. It is truly gratifying to note that it's a multilingual event with entries invited in English and Hindi at the national and state levels, and in 9 other Indian languages: Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayali, Marathi, Oriya, Punjabi, Tamil, and Telugu. I hope in future it will be conducted in all Indian languages, because the children, they will be more free to express their views in their mother tongue. A nation's destiny is shaped by its youth, for it's the youth of the today who will be the leaders of tomorrow. India has always had the good fortune to be blessed with centuries of knowledge, wisdom, systems, and enlightened thinking that told us how to live the highest quality of life. Quality of life is very much important. All our teachings from ancient times laid great emphasis on value-based education for all-round development of the individual, be it social, emotional, mental, physical, intellectual, and spiritual facets of life. The National Education Policy unveiled in 2020 lays great focus on value-based education. I am happy, because all the time, after the independence particularly, with this advent of invasion and foreign rule, we have not focused enough in our education system on values. I am very happy that the national education policy lays great focus on value-based education. It also highlights the importance of an education system that helps individuals to develop the right habits, values, discipline, and punctuality, amongst others. It seeks to promote multidisciplinary approach and ensure holistic development of the students. My dear sisters and brothers and dear youngsters, the entire world is